Welcome back, dear listeners, to the world of English, a place for friendly and patient learning. It's so good to have you here.
Hello, everyone. I'm Ali, and I'm feeling great today because we're talking about a very practical topic, something we use every single day.
Yes, and I'm Ina. Today, we are going to learn how to talk about money in English. We will practice simple, useful conversations for shopping, for work, and for daily life.
Yes, we will go step by step. You will learn phrases that are very helpful.
Money talk can feel difficult, but with simple words and practice, it becomes easy. We are here to help you. Let's start with a very common question, Ali.
Okay, a simple and important question is, how much is this? Listen carefully. How much is this? You say this in a shop, at a market. Let's repeat it together. How much is this?
Perfect. And the answer might be, it's $5 or it's £10. Let's practice the answer. It's $5.
Wonderful! You are learning already. Today, we will practice these phrases and many more. We will be like friends going shopping or talking about our plans.
Absolutely. Remember, making mistakes is okay. We all learn by trying. Let's begin our main chat about money. Let's start with shopping. Useful words: price, cost, cheap, expensive, cash, card, discount.
Yes, the price is how much money you need to pay. You can ask, what's the price of this? Or, how much does this cost? They mean the same thing.
Ali, let's have a small conversation. You are the shopkeeper. I am a customer.
Hello, can I help you?
Yes, please. How much is this notebook?
It's $3.
$3. Okay. And how much does this pen cost?
That pen costs $1.
Thank you.
Did you hear, how much is this and how much does this cost? Listeners, please repeat both questions.
Now, if the price is good, we say, that's cheap. If the price is very high, we say, that's expensive.
For example, this bag is cheap. It's only $7. This phone is expensive. It costs $900.
When you pay, you can use cash, paper money and coins, or a card, like a bank card. You can ask, can I pay by card? Or, do you take cash?
A very happy word is discount. A discount means a lower price. There is a 10% discount. Or, do you have any discounts? Now, let's talk about money we earn and money we spend. New words: salary, wage, bill, rent, save, afford.
Your salary or wage is the money you get from your job every month or week. A common question is, what do you do? It means, what is your job?
Yes, I can say, I am a teacher, or I work in an office. We don't usually ask, how much is your salary, to friends. It can be a private question.
But we can talk about money we spend. We pay bills. A bill is a paper that says how much money you need to pay for electricity, water, or the internet.
For example, I need to pay the electric bill today. Another big cost is rent. Rent is money you pay every month for your house or apartment. My rent is $600 a month.
After bills and rent, we try to save money. To save means to keep money for the future. I save money every month. And a very useful word, afford. Can you afford it means, do you have enough money to buy it?
I want a new car, but I can't afford it right now. Or, this book is cheap. I can afford it.
Let's talk about the bank. Useful words: bank account, deposit, withdraw, currency, exchange rate.
You keep your money in a bank account. To put money in is to deposit. To take money out is to withdraw.
You might say, I need to withdraw some cash from the bank, or I deposited my salary today.
When you travel, you talk about currency. US dollars, euros, Japanese yen are all currencies. You need to know the exchange rate, how much one currency is in another.
A very common conversation. What currency do they use in Turkey? They use Turkish lira.
And finally, some everyday phrases. If a friend pays for your coffee, you say, "Thank you, I'll pay next time," or "Let me pay you back."
If you are calculating costs with a friend, you can say, let's split the bill. That means each person pays half.
Practice with us. Let's split the bill.
And if something is good value for the price, you say, it's worth the money.
Let's make a big, useful sentence. I get my salary on Friday. First, I need to pay my rent and bills. Then I can save a little money. I want to save for a new laptop, but it's expensive. I need to check if I can afford it.
That's excellent. Listeners, let's repeat parts of that. Repeat after Ali.
I get my salary on Friday.
I need to pay my rent and bills.
I can save a little money.
I need to check if I can afford it. We are near the end of our talk about money. Let's recap. Repeat the key phrases.
For shopping, how much is this? How much does it cost? Can I pay by card? Do you have a discount?
For earnings and bills, I work as I need to pay the rent. I save money every month. I can't afford it.
For banking and daily life, I need to withdraw cash. Let's split the bill. It's worth the money.
Excellent work. You have learned so much. Now for our fun community question.
Our question is about saving. We want to know, what is one thing you like to save money for? A trip? A gift? A new book?
Please share your answer with us. We love to read your comments and learn about your goals. What is one thing you like to save money for?
Now, are you ready for our money quiz game?
Yes, game time! A fun guessing game. I will describe a word or phrase about money and Ali will guess. You guess too.
I'm ready.
Okay, this is a word. It is the paper money and coins in your hand, not a card.
Is it cash?
Correct! Your turn.
This is a phrase. You say it when the price is very high.
That's expensive.
Yes. Next.
This is a noun. It is the money you pay every month to live in your apartment or house.
That's rent.
Good! Next.
This is a verb. It means to keep money for next year or for a future plan.
To save money.
Perfect. Last one.
This is a question. You ask it in a shop when you want to know the price.
That's easy. How much is this?
Correct. Well done, Ali. And fantastic job to all of you listening. You knew all the answers.
This shows your great progress today. We are very proud of you.
Thank you so much for joining us on World of English. You are a fantastic learner.
Remember to practice. Maybe at home, say the prices of things in English. Practice makes perfect.
We will be back with another helpful topic. Until then, keep learning, keep practicing, and take care of yourselves.
From both of us, Ina and Ali, goodbye and see you next time.
Goodbye.